Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on US Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a usbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of US Bank, you can see the option of login on top right corner. You click on it. Here you can see the login form has been popped out. Here you need to provide your account credential, that is your username and password. Then click on login where you will get logged into your banking account of US Bank. As we are going to get registered, you need to click on create a username and password. Click on it. Enroll in online and mobile banking. For the enrollment in US Bank, you need to go with the 4 steps given, that is verify, protect, consent and confirm. At very first, you need to verify. For that, which type of account do you have with US Bank? You need to choose or you need to click on the checkbox, that is personal or business. I'm going with the personal one. As you can see at the right side, you have to fill some of the details like you need to enter your account or debit card number. Now you need to provide your social security number of last 4 digits. Do you have a PIN for this account? If yes, then you go in for providing the PIN number. If you don't have it, you can click on the checkbox, that is no, I don't have a PIN. After you fill up all the details, you simply click on continue where you will be redirected to the another page, that is protect. There you will have to provide the PIN number for this security. Then click on continue. You will be redirected to the another page, that is consent. This is the third step for the enrollment. Here you will be given some terms and conditions and you just need to click on agree, then click on continue. Then you will be redirected to the very last step, that is confirm. There you need to confirm where you will have your online banking account in US Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for an online banking account on US Bank. Thank you.